We're back for day 2 of Game Dev Battle, coming to you from beautiful Austin, Texas. Yesterday, the teams worked all day on their games, and let's just say, some made better progress than others.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, do the other way, because that way is funnier.
Because you're like, hey, what's up? What's up, guys?
Day 2, we come in, we spin the wheel again, my nemesis.
Redemption arc.
If I would go back to day 1, what I would do, first and foremost, is not spin the less time. No. Oh, nice. We were hoping that my bad luck would flip, because I used all my bad luck last time with the less time.
Come on.
Oh, that was so close, so close.
All right.
This one's not as bad as the last one. It's fine. I would like to do horrible things to that wheel. Unfortunately, we still got the second worst option, but at least we're not an hour off. That would really suck.
Yeah, can you type without letters?
I can type without letters. Who needs letters anyway?
I think we'll be
I
good.
think we're good. You know what? I'll type with a blacked out keyboard. It's fine.
The wheel sucked for us. We had Josh spinning it the first day. He wanted to do it again, and I was like, no. Let's let Isaac have a chance at it, because, you know, he's the one who hasn't spun. And so we did, and he up too.
I really hope I don't get the one in the messed up shift key again. I hated that one.
So maybe we should let Josh roll it on that one. I will give that to him.
Ready?
Yeah, so the wheel today,
Yeah. Show me the money. Show me the money. Show me the money. Don't you.
decided to just pretend like yesterday didn't happen and just do the same thing again. Yeah, I guess I'll have to, again, channel my maybe speaking powers and just go in there blind, and I think I'll be all right, though.
Okay. It's all good.
We're this close. Wow.
We're like that close. Like this close. I was like this close to like getting extra time, which is what we need. And then he just like, nope, we're taking away your keyboard. So I'm just like, this is so close.
It's the second day of competition, and everyone is worried about having enough time to deliver a functional build before the end of the day.
So it's day 2, and I'm feeling stressed.
So we're on day 2 now, and I'm feeling like there's not a lot of time left. That usually happens in game jams. I'm used to actually not having a lot of sleep, but I actually feel well rested.
I'm like really fried right now from it. He's like pointing the thing on the screen, and I just can't find it. He's like his fingers right there, and I'm just clicking everything around it.
Look, if you ever want to know how to spell paparazzi, just look up Lady Gaga. That's the only thing I can tell you, because she made a song about it.
Well, this Lady Gaga.
It's like faster than trying to type it yourself.
Oh, I do have it spelled right. Yes. See, Lady Gaga is the way.
I think I'm still on course to make it in time. It might be a little tight at the end, but for me, I think I'm okay. It's probably more pressure on them to put everything together at the end of the day.
These parts are not on the ship.
Yeah, they are.
They're on the complete ship. They're not on this part of the ship.
Yeah, the ship falls apart. That's why I asked you. Like, hey, what's the story? Did the ship fall apart while we're falling down and then you're collecting the pieces? And he said, yeah. I know KK's little nuances of when he's getting frustrated, even though it doesn't look like he's doing anything, but I was like, oh, yeah, he's actually getting frustrated.
It's safe to say that everyone's looking a bit stressed. So let's do our best to stay out of their way so they can focus and not be distracted by, oh wait, that's right, it's keyboard time.
And they're about to keyboard us.
Oh. My cup, I need that.
Okay. It's specifically for me. Look, they love me. I feel loved.
For me personally, it didn't affect me, but I could see with my teammates that it was really kind of screwing them over a bit.
So, this is a Windows keyboard, so it's missing some keys. I have a Mac. Yeah, I had a lot of issues with that. Definitely slowed us down more than I was expecting.
When I plugged the keyboard in, it unplugged from the display. Okay.
Hold on, I gotta plug it.
This key is stuck. That's wonderful. My U key just doesn't work. And then we had to mess around with more cords on my PC. There it is. So yeah, there was like a good 10 minutes of it just messing up the setup.
Not only can you not see what you're supposed to be hitting, what you're supposed to be hitting is not where it's supposed to be.
Oh my God, my typing is just getting slaughtered.
Oh, I shouldn't have joked about technical difficulties earlier today.
Next, they'll black out our screens.
This episode is sponsored by Totally Baseball. Totally Baseball, the #1 VR baseball game in the world. Experience the full sport of baseball inside virtual reality. Play against the AI or with your friends in multiplayer. Totally Baseball, available now. Time is running out, and all 3 teams are dealing with blacked out keyboards. But on top of that, the red team is dealing with some miscommunication about a specific art asset.
If I could go back in time or go back to yesterday, I would probably ask to clarify some assets that I made.
The assets you gave me are just not great, to be honest.
In terms
Because
of?
there's no, it's not, then it's just a bunch of skinny lines everywhere of lava.
I made them and I sent them up thinking that they were fine, and now today is like, oh, I can't do anything with this. I was like, but this is literally what you're asking for.
That looks terrible.
Oh, what? How does it look in game?
Like, what do you mean, how does it look? If I put all of these are skinny lines. These are all skinny lines.
What does skinny lines mean? It doesn't tell me anything. What I don't understand what you're saying, like what you keep thinking that you're saying the things that you think you're saying, and it's not what you think you're saying.
All of it needs to be tileable yellow and orange in the center. Yellow and orange could be all unique in the center, but the edges need to be able to be tiled, one placed next to another one.
Yeah.
No line, yeah. These lines are skinny, they take up 1 tile. I want to take up 20 tiles and put 20 tiles of lava down.
Have like
I can't
a pool
do
of
that.
lava instead of just like a river.
Yeah, I
of
want a
lava.
pool, not a river.
You should have started with that.
While the red team figures out how not skinny they want their lava, purple team is getting inventive with their new keyboards.
Snap. Thing in 2.
I just realized they like scratched out all the letters.
Yes, that's what's bugging me. I don't use that one or this one or that one either. I might need that one. I don't need this one. That one, and I don't need that one. All right, I feel better. We don't need this one.
You just turned off my computer.
No way.
You just, I'm not joking, you
No.
just turned it off.
No. No, he didn't. Cancel. There we go. I took out a few souvenirs that I'm gonna keep probably for later. Maybe I'll make a necklace of them or something. And I even stole one of his. It almost shut down his computer.
Would have lost a lot of progress if it actually turned off.
I didn't do that. Oh my god.
I ripped off the key right next to the backspace. And then I got a piece of cardboard. I ripped like a little piece of cardboard from my notebook, and I taped it, and I even stuffed it the empty space with some tape. And so then I could hit it closer, so it's more closer to a normal backspace. But it did bite me in later because that was my plus key, so I couldn't add anything. Wait. I ripped out the plus key. I can't
have to code
add.
anything, man.
Oh.
To less than or equal to.
I can't. No, I need to do math. Oh.
Start coding in case structure.
Do you want to own one of the hoodies from the show? Then head on over to GameDevBattle.com and choose your size and color. And while you're there, check out additional items like our Game Dev Battle decals. GameDevBattle.com. As the competition nears the end, all 3 teams have been dealing with the headache that is a blacked out keyboard for 1 full hour. So it's time to give them back their nice keyboards and let them do what they do best.
No, you don't get to have it. Break this.
This is not mine.
Take this abomination from me.
They're tied together.
You always want to cut features, and we did a good job of okay, this is out of scope, let's just cut all this. But I would probably cut even just a little bit more and just focus on a core game loop even faster. We're trying to aim to be testing the game for design issues and flaws, and hopefully have, an hour left, hopefully not running up to the deadline so we can find those last minute bugs at the very end.
Meanwhile, Green Team, who has the least amount of development time, is stressing out.
I'd say about an hour before our cutoff, the game wasn't working at all. It was
wait.
It was down to the wire, but
Let's keep
I'm
that
pretty
under
proud of what we
wraps.
have. I mean, it's working now, so.
Make sure it's working.
Oh, I saw it.
There it was.
Works. Lock it in.
Yep.
Okay, yeah.
Just be done. Just be done with it. Get it out of here.
I think we're all happy with how we did. Learn how to implement audio beforehand.
Yes.
That would be my advice.
Will Purple and Red Team be able to pull it together before time runs out?
The hardest part for me would be getting everything in time. Just try and find all the bugs that were happening at the last minute.
I made a cutscene for the ending, so you won, and then it would do a little cinematic. And for whatever reason, it just isn't working.
It's coming down to the wire. Who will come out ahead? Who will be crowned the winner of the Game Dev? Oh wait, never mind. It looks like time is up.
Okay. Scared me.
And now here come the judges.
Hello. All right, how does this work?
We're the purple team, and our game is Paparazzi Pulper.
We didn't budget time to come up with the name.
So you just gotta wing it.
Cheese.
Yep. That's what it's always been. Yep.
Yeah. All right.
We are the Green Team, and our game is cheese.
Yes.
Hey, we're Red Team, and the name of our game is
Red Planet.
There we go.
Hi, I'm Jack, and I have 8 years QA experience in gaming, and on top of that, I have a gamer score on Xbox of almost 100,000.
I'm Nolani, also known as Groucho Porks online. I have been a Twitch streamer for a couple of years, and I have worked in the film industry for a long time. I really love making movies, and I currently work for a game development studio doing community management and project management. Paparazzi Pulper. I like the title. Am I playing with keyboard and mouse? Just keyboard?
Just the mouse.
Just the mouse.
Oh, hey, I'm Mike Wiebe. I'm the lead singer of the Riverboat Gamblers. I've got a newer project called Dracula's. And I do stand-up and write for movies that rarely get made.
And then all you're gonna use is mouse and then just click.
I have been playing video games since I was very, very young. The first video game I ever played was Pokemon Blue on the Game Boy Color when I was 6. I just really enjoy being able to sort of put myself into a different space and, you know, kind of escape from the real world. And you know, it's kind of like reading a book where you just get to sort of go somewhere else for a while.
And you're trying to snap photos of all the little pieces of cheese.
Excuse you.
Ooh, close.
This is so intense. Whoa. Excuse me.
I started playing video games back in the Atari 2600 era. I've gotten sucked back into video games. I tried to not be in there to be productive for a while, but now they've pulled me back in. They pulled me back in. My wife's mad at me all the time.
You're crashing on the red planet.
Okay.
Your ship is crashing.
Oh no.
Let's see here. Okay, got it. Whoa. Oh, interesting.
All right, where am I?
If you get disoriented, that's like sort of the feeling I'm going for of being on the planet, not really knowing your surroundings.
Today when I play these games, I'm going to be looking for completeness to the degree of whether or not there are major crashes. Is it actually playable? Does it kind of have what's called flow? Flow is the balance between difficulty and skill.
Am I picking up the pieces?
Looks like you are so far.
Okay. Back to the ship, back to the ship. I can do this. I can win this game. Can I win this game? This doesn't seem right.
Don't get tripped up.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I like that. I like that. That reaction's what I'm going for. Yeah.
Escape that planet. I remember playing Zork, the text-based game Zork. Yeah, and so I've been there not since the beginning, but since the almost beginning.
So in this game, you're an LA celebrity who's just had enough of the paparazzi being up all in their business.
Yeah. That's my real life. It's me.
You're just gonna be in your car and you're just gonna go like to every paparazzi you see on the way to the studio. If you did like get too many of your photos taken, actually at the end screen, it'll actually have like photos of you on that screen, like from the actual gameplay.
So it's all about timing.
Yep.
Too easy by spamming the button. Yeah, I'm hitting every single one.
Of course you would do that.
He's not even filming me. What a terrible paparazzi guy. Come on, bros. I'm the celebrity. Look at me. I really don't want to break anyone's heart, but I obviously have to try to look for the best game, so. Yes.
Yeah.
This game is serious business.
Old school.
Ah! Oh no! Ah! No!
Oh.
It's definitely very satisfying.
It's actually pretty fun.
Well, as we've said all along, it ended with Green Team winning. You know, we said we were going to win a lot, but yeah, we definitely didn't expect to win. Our goal was just finish something. We've spent so many years just working at game dev, like to no end, basically, with no reward. So it's nice to have some sort of validation of our efforts.
I'm Xander.
I'm Nick.
I'm Kyle.
And
we
won the Game Dev Battle.
Next time on Game Dev Battle. New teams with new themes. more adventures with the wheel, and lots of new personalities.
Our team is going to win because our game is going to be fun.
Honestly, I feel bulletproof right now. Nothing could go wrong. Your computer blew up.
Yes.
My computer.
Can I just say I love macarons?
Do you want to download and play the games that you just saw on the show? Or see all the great clips that didn't make the video? Then visit GameDevBattle.com/community to take a deep dive into every episode. And don't forget to submit your team of 3 for a chance to be on the show.
Your brain can't really figure it out.